on you, Bert.
For now, Sheriff. Can't get around a good book.
Entering the kitchen.
Proceed.
What the hell?
Following the blood.
Jesus.
You seeing this?
Shit.
Looks like it leads to this door.
Push it open.
What the hell is this?
Proceed, officer.
I don't know about this, Bert.
God damn it, do I gotta come down there and hold your hand?
Where are you now?
I'm in the wine cellar.
There's an opening to some kind of... I don't know. Going through... Looks like some kind of crazy catacomb. Still following the blood. Getting a bad feeling here. Jesus Christ, what is this? This Haven? These dresses. High heels.
Little farm toys. Bones. Man.
Ladies' makeup? What a fruitcake.
Most disturbing place that I have ever been.
What's that to your left?
It's a door.
Marvin, keep your hands on that gun.
My fucking God.
How many? You tell me.
A fucking human does that.
Shit's fucked up.
What's in there?
What's in the freezer?
Be careful, Marvin.
sick fuck will be back out there tonight. We rally the boys. We torch that place to the ground. End this. Finish what we started years ago.
Not this time. Not on my watch. What happened that day was a travesty.
It was justice! I want to see the Sawyer girl.
She's a victim, Bert. She hasn't done anything.
She's free, the nation!
Yeah, I know what you're thinking, Bert.
You have no idea.
Nothing better happened to that girl, Bert.